Do you find yourself taking setbacks and obstacles in life personally? Like with all that is happening to you, that the world is against you? Do you find yourself wanting to go somewhere, but you are often stopped abruptly in your tracks? In this audio guide, we will use the analogy of a traffic light to help us reshape our recurring story of, why does this always happen to me? Everywhere around the world, no matter where you are, traffic lights are always lighted in the colors green, amber, and red. Imagine you are driving on the road, heading somewhere. As you come towards the traffic junction, the light suddenly turns red. And not just once. Almost every traffic junction you hit, the lights turn red just as you approach it. You feel your emotions becoming increasingly unsettled. You feel frustrated. You think to yourself, why does the light turn red deliberately? Why does the red light appear just to stop you from where you want to go? Does such a situation sound familiar? Do you feel irritated and possibly angry whenever you look at the road ahead with all the traffic junctions that you have to pass? Perhaps every time you are reaching a traffic junction, you feel your grip tighten on the steering wheel. You feel your heart beat faster. You step on the accelerator, hoping to gain a second or two to beat the red light. But the light still turns red, prompting you to stop. Now, think of a situation that this has played out in your life. How did you feel? And how did you react when you face roadblocks or setbacks in your life? What thoughts did you have? Did you feel helpless? What emotions did you feel? Were you frustrated? And what physical sensations arise in your body? Did you feel tense in your neck or shoulders? Now, what if I told you that there is nothing personal about traffic lights turning red? You know that no matter how you respond, there is nothing you can do about red lights. Red lights are part of what regulates traffic. Red lights are beyond your control. And this is the case all over the world. There is no exception for any driver or any situation. And if you want to keep your license to drive, you have to stop at red lights. Ask yourself, why are you getting irritated and tense at something which you can do nothing about? Being in the state of negativity for long periods of time is detrimental to our mental health. Our moods also affects how we interact with others, and in turn affects our relationships with other people. Now, since traffic lights are beyond your control, instead of seeing the red lights as an obstacle, perhaps you can try to see the red lights that you encounter as an opportunity instead. The next time you hit a red light, treat it as an opportunity for you to stop and take stock. Treat the red light as a signal to notice the moment and pay attention to your experience. Learn to enjoy the moments where you get to take a break. With every problem we face, as long as we are patient, the lights will eventually turn green. You do not have to wait for all the lights on the road to turn green before starting your trip, because reality just does not work this way. There are times in life that are meant for slowing down, and times where you are meant to stop. As you return to your journey to your destination, you no longer take the changing of lights personally. You appreciate the order of things, and you start to enjoy your drive again. Change your perspective today, and change your life. Thank you for your time with us. We hope you enjoyed this short audio guide. For more self-help audio guides, subscribe to this channel.